Good morning, everybody. It's Hari Swaminathan, Monday, August 26th. Happy Monday to everybody. It's 8:35 a.m. And what I wanted to do in this video is just do a recap of our trades. So let's start with Apple right here. We've got 4 days left for this to expire. It's a 485, 480. As of now, that trade looks fine. We've already captured $280 and we have about 1,000 more to go. So let's see. As of now, I don't think we need to do anything to Apple at all. CMG, it's a bull call. CMG was up to about 407. It's pulled back a little bit. We are still a little bit up, but we've got plenty of time for this, and it's a debit spread. So again, we don't have to do anything to CMG as well. FedEx, we made an adjustment on Friday. We have added this 5 extra long calls at the 120, and so we should be okay for now. We do have a slightly negative delta, and so we do have to keep a watch for that. And so we'll see how FedEx does today, and then we'll see if we need to take any action. GMCR, of course, is the one that we need to focus on for this week. We've got 4 days left. Now, of course, GMCR has moved up to about $85 right now. Our short put at 82.5 is doing well. You can see we have almost a $1,400 profit, and we should see some more. So perhaps what we might want to do is to move the 82.5 put over to the 85 put. But we don't want to do that quite yet. Let's see how the market opens. We only have 4 days, so a lot of the extrinsic value will come out of this option. However, it's not a whole lot. You can see, this option, the call at least is in the money by almost $3. So then, we don't have a whole lot of extrinsic value there. So we might want to. Now, what I want to do with GMCR is see if we can buy go a little bit directional. So what I'm thinking is perhaps add to the calls because GMCR has been volatile. We do have a booked profit of 750 on this trade as of now. So that's the final standing on GMCR. Last week we gave up what we made in the previous week, so this original position is still here. As you can see, that is still a loss of about $2,900. However, let's see how GMCR works now. The 80 call is obviously moving very much into the money, so you can see the delta of the 80 call is 676. The 80 put is negative 325. So we may want to give this a nudge in terms of add some extra calls somewhere, but I'll do some analysis today, and we'll see how we can deal with this. Google is in the middle of our iron condor. It's slightly up. What we want to be careful of is this weekly option where we are losing a little bit of money. But Google net, we have booked a profit of 3,200. That's where that stands. And let's see how Google performs this week. HLF, we are doing actually quite well. So we now, you can see we have a profit of 850, but we've got a lot more to go. For in the next 25 days, you can see we have 7,300. So we are back to even on this trade in terms of booked profit or loss. So this 845 is what you see here is all profit at this point on HLF, but we've got so much more to go. So this is a position that we want to be patient with, and we want to be able to try to make as much as we can from Herbalife. And then Netflix made a great move on Friday, actually went up about $7 or $8. We are showing a small loss on this position as of now. What I want to do is set up a conditional. So hopefully everybody saw my video on conditional orders. What I want to do is set up a conditional where we add an iron condor. You can see we have a bear call at 305 and 310 strike prices. What I want to do is add a bull put at maybe, let's say, the 255, 260 level, 260, 255 level. And if we want to do that, if Netflix continues to punch upwards, so let's say, the trigger that we put would be, might be at 282, let's say 282. So if Netflix goes over 282, then we want to add the bull put at the 255 level. So that's what we would be shooting for. So anyway, as soon as we want to wait to see how the markets open this morning, so we don't want to do anything right now. And if there's an update on any of these trades, I will be sending a separate email. Thanks. Bye bye.